stepping up for this race. Heavy hitters. Green flag is up! Who's gonna grab the whole shot?
Akit mo dyan niya. Pwede makit dyan?
Hindi, akit kayo. Wala namang boating.
It's excellent. With a whole shot, representing Alae. So Nigel Toy on the inside, Baby Hat on the inside. So that's the current running order. So Nigel So parang mga bubuyog ko dahil ito po ay mga two-stroke ano.